Jeff Moore, More Financial Solutions. You're on your Financial Literacy Friday, and April is Financial Literacy Month. So we're going to be dropping all kind of financial news that you can use in April so you can build and rebuild and restructure and reorganize your financial kingdom so you can have the money to fund the things that you're passionate about. Now, today I want to talk about the people who are making the money, who got the bread, but they at every happy hour, they take every trip, they shopping every week, they at the finest restaurants every week, they in Jamaica, the Dominican Republic, they in South Beach, they in Vegas, they just spending money like money's going out of style, and they don't have $1,000 in the bank to take care of an unplanned emergency. I'm talking to you today. I'm going to put you in what I call a financial timeout. A financial timeout is when you chill, when you stop spending all of the dough and you just chill. You build your account up. You get an emergency account together. You pay yourself first. You get your butt in timeout and you just sit still and get your mind together. You get your mind right. You reorganize and reprioritize your cash so your cash flow can save you. Because when you save money, your money will always save you. No more scrambling and calling your friends and calling your family members begging for money because you done blew all your money. Get your butt in financial timeout and just relax, clear your mind, and reorganize so you can save money, so you can build your emergency account, so you don't become a statistic that says almost 80% of Americans cannot pay for $1,000 or more emergency if it happened and not go into debt. So we're going to erase that and we're going to change that. And we're going to do that now. So you are in financial timeout if that applies to you until you have at least $1,000 in the bank that you can take care of an unplanned emergency. This is Jeff Moore. Make sure you like this, make a comment in it, like this channel, subscribe, tell your friends about it. Keep me alive on YouTube, guys. I just want to give you some information that you can use because when you understand what's going on, you know what to do. Jeff Moore, More Financial Solutions, and I help professionals and entrepreneurs get control of their money, build tax-exempt income, and leave a legacy of money to the next generation. Have a great day, guys.